Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Manzoor Ahmed, lecturer history. Our today's topic for 12th class students of history subject is explain how and why the rulers tried to establish connections with the traditions and of the Nayanars and the Sufis. Dear students, in this question we have to explain that there were rulers ruling over different parts of India, and we have to say how these rulers tried to establish their connections, their relations and their collaborations with the Nayanars, the devotees of the Shiva, and the Sufis, a mystic sect of Muslims. So in nutshell, we have to say how the rulers in different parts of India during medieval period established their connections, their relations with the Nayanars and the Sufis. Dear students, it is believed that rulers during medieval India tried for different ways to establish connections and relations with the Nayanars, the followers of Shiva, and the Sufis, the mystic sect of Muslims. Number one way which the rulers tried to do establish connections with the religious personalities of Nayanars and Sufis. Number one, it is believed that the Chola rulers of southern India constructed huge temples in the memory of Shiva at different parts in southern India. It is believed that by constructing huge temples in the memory of Shiva, the Chola rulers wanted to establish their connection with the Nayanars, who were the devotees and followers of Shiva. So by constructing the temples, the Chola rulers, in the memory of this god Shiva, the Chola rulers established a relation, a connection with the Nayanars, who were we can say, the devotees of Shiva. Number two, the Chola rulers gave huge land grants for the maintenance of the temples which were constructed in the memory of god Shiva. So by giving land grants to the Shiva temples, these Chola rulers tried by this way as well to establish their connections with the Nayanars, the devotees of Shiva. Number three, it is believed that the Chola rulers made the arrangements of singing the poems in the praise of god Shiva in temples in southern India, and we called the Tamil Shiva hymns. And these poems were sung by people in different parts of southern India in the temples in the memory and in the praise of god Shiva. And by making arrangements for singing of poems, by singing of Tamil Shiva hymns in the praise of god Shiva, the kings by this way as well tried to establish their connections, their relations with the Nayanars, who were the devotees of Shiva. Number four, the Muslim rulers of Delhi Sultanate also tried their best to establish their connections with the Sufis. How? The Muslim rulers presented themselves before the Sufi saints to spend some time in their company and seek prayers for them. Number one. Number two, the Sufi saints gave land grants to the the Muslim rulers of Delhi Sultanate gave land grants to the Sufi saints and shrines for their maintenance. This is another way adopted by the Muslim rulers of Delhi Sultanate to establish connections and relations with the Sufis by giving Sufis land grants and shrines for their maintenance. Number 6, we can say the Muslim rulers of Delhi Sultanate also built huge tombs and mausoleums over the graves of the Sufi saints, and by this way as well, the Muslim rulers of Delhi Sultanate tried to establish their connections and relations with the Sufi saints. So both Muslims and Hindu rulers, in their own ways, they tried to establish connections with the great religious personalities of Nayanars and Sufis. And now, what was the purpose? Why they did so? It is believed the rulers, whether Hindus or Muslims, tried to establish connections and relations with these religious personalities of Nayanars and Sufis. The purpose was to proclaim their authority and strengthen their rule over the people as much as possible, because it is believed that the Chola rulers of southern India and the Muslim rulers of Delhi Sultanate believed that Nayanars and Sufis were held by the people in great respect. Therefore, by respecting the king's thought that by respecting the Nayanars and Sufis, they would be able to gain the support and authority of the common people, who also had a great respect for Sufis, Nayanars and Sufis. So by establishing connections, by establishing connections with Nayanars and Sufis, the Chola rulers of southern India, the Hindu Chola rulers of southern India, and Muslim rulers of Delhi Sultanate tried to make people believe that the people, the personalities whom they were considering sacred and pious like Nayanars and Sufis, the rulers also considered them pious and sacred, and thereby strengthen their rule, their authority, and make themselves as much popular as possible among the people throughout their empire. Thank you.